Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I want to review my game named Crossing Road. So I made a lot of games in Buildbox. So this is my new game. Let's see. Sorry, it's lagging. So so Crossing Road is about crossing the road and avoiding the obstacles. So there's only two scenes. There's the starts.
Saat
Wait.
kejadian, Mbak Meriam aslinya
And
berkata,
the
"Astaga
first
mas,
one.
gak apa-apa,
Okay,
gak
so
apa-apa." Sekian
for the characters,
kebenarannya,
I
mohon
named the
netizen
characters
lebih
player,
bijak.
and then the mesh is cube. The collision group is character. 3D model, yes, and then physics is dynamic and affected assets all. And let's see for the code. The code is it's simple. Let me explain. So when we start, we will create a touch function. So when we touch the screen, it will start a rotation animation and a position animation. So we'll move and rotate. And we will create a if collide function. So if collide with the asset is platform. If collide with the platform, it will reset the jump function, and then oh yeah, I forgot when we when we touch the screen, it will jump. The second if collide function is for the coin. So if we collide with the coin, affect the coin, and then we will add the point amount 1. And then the last if collide function for in the player. If we collide with affected asset none, wait a minute. Collide with affected asset enemy, collide. We will start an event named game over, and then we will remove the cube. Okay, so that's all for the player. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 objects. 10 objects for the game. So the first one is named spawn right. Let's see for the code. When we start create wake up and then create 3D model, of course, yeah. And then create spawn, and then the asset I assign the cube right, because this is this one right. We will spawn cube on the right side, and then timer enable 0.5, and then timeout spawn cube. So it will continuously spawn the cube infinitely. So and then for this one light, it's similar to spawn right, but this for the spawn, I assign it to the cube left. Okay, so and then for the spawn point, it's similar for those for these spawn right and spawn left, but I assigned the asset to point cube. Okay, and then for the cube right, when we will create a function named move. It will move x -4. And then it will have a scale animation. So when we start, it will like pop up, like grow up or shrink. Yes, kind of that. And when we and if this cube right, this object collide with affect asset enemy, it will have scale animation. It will shrink down, grow down, and then delay 0.5 seconds, and then remove it. And then for the point, it's similar. It's almost the same. I think it's not almost the same. It's the same. Yeah. For the cube, it's the same with the cube run, and the cube left is it's the same for the cube cube, right? But the difference is the move function. It's +4. Okay, just delete this tab because we don't need it anymore. And then for the stopper, yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot for the no spawn rate. The collision group is none, and then delete the mesh, so I'll have nothing. And the physics none, spawn left, spawn left, and spawn point is the same. Slapper collision group enemy and physics kinematic, cube right, collision group platform, and then the point collision group coin. Yeah, and then I think it's kinematic too or dynamic. Cube left, collision group platform, and kinematics. This is kinematic. So cube right and point, it's the same. It's kinematic too. So and then for the enemy one, collision group enemy. Oh yeah, the enemy one it's used for like the obstacles like this one. It will rotate like what? I forgot. Like I'm thinking about the Netherlands and the civilians. What is? I forgot. So the movement is the same. And for the enemy, one copy culture group. I think that we don't need this. Okay, let's get rotate. This is for the enemy. Start. It was started schedule and then rotate. Z negative 100. And for the enemy one copy, I think yeah, it's the same. And for the cube, what's this? Okay. Okay. So let's see for the scenes. We for the start we have the cube and the start and the end scene. Just align it to the middle. Hey yo, wait. Okay, and then for the first scene, the one scene, we have stopper, and then we have spawn point, spawn left, spawn, and then this is for the stopper. So it will stopper. The function of stopper is to stop the cube, so it will not infinitely move right or left. Yeah, that's the function. And then for the enemy one is for the obstacles. So oh yeah, I forgot for the UI screen. Start when you start main menu. I don't know. I inserted a random image. I screenshotted this. It's a wallpaper, but I scale it until it's big enough to just fit the sun in the screen. Okay, so there's a text. There's name crossing road, and then there's a navigation button on top of the text, on top of the label name play. So and then for the UI screen in the 3D world, there's only a label, and then function is score, and then the score type points, and then amount current, and then there's an event observer. So the event observer is for it will detect an event like a game over or a menu jump in the Buildbox, and then it will, if the event is detected, it will jump to this UI screen game over load. Then the game over, inside the game over UI, there's the same image as this before, but just the position is different. Just I don't know how. My mind is empty, so yeah, I just inserted a random image. So there's a label here named game over, and then the same as the main menu, but the difference is the navigation button and then the text. The text is try again, and then the navigation button, I changed the function to restart. So yeah, it will restart the game. So maybe let's play it. But sorry if it's bad enough to make you vomit. Yeah. Okay, so let's just look. It's bad enough to make you vomit. Oh yeah, in the player, yeah, we have keyboard move for the X, move right, and move left, move right. The X is all zero except the X. The X is negative. Is 4, and for the move left is -4. So the keyboard move is for the X, it's A and D. So when we click A or D, it will move right or left. But let's see. We touch the screen to jump. Oh my god, this is crossing road. Do you believe it, guys? This is crossing road. It is crossing road. It's crossing road. It's real, guys. Believe me, trust me. Oh my god, this is so real. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have any mistakes in my words or pronunciation or my way to present you guys my game, my Crossy Road game, Crossy Road. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.